Alright now everybody, if you saw the last video, we found a new tree service lot with some wood, and I do have a little bit of battery, and like I said in the last video, I need to be making new footage for YouTube. I haven't been making 3 videos a week. I only made 1 last week, and that last video was my first one this week. So I am going to go ahead and make some footage while I'm here, because now I never regret having the footage. By the time you're home and it starts raining or whatever, I'm going to wish I had more footage. So I got about 30% battery, so we'll go ahead and do some footage of me bucking this ash wood up. And you might have saw it in the last video, but I'm just going to take a bunch of cuts on these pieces of wood here, and then I'm going to bring my splitter over and throw it in the truck. So I got everything all ready to go, and I'm just going to buck this stuff up here and split some wood and make some firewood tonight. So thanks for coming along and checking it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and watch the videos. Maybe leave a comment, say something positive. Don't leave something rude now. Say something positive. And we're going to get going on this wood. Okay, now, this first cut, I needed to move this log out of the way, which is behind the log that you're looking at, and I am going to move the camera around and get a better view, so I apologize for the bad view, but I couldn't really reach the log that's on top of the pile in the front there, because there's a log that's behind it that's kind of blocking me from getting into it. So let me make this cut real quick, and then we'll get a better camera angle coming right up. right, everybody, my camera just overheated. It is freaking hot out here. It's almost 90 degrees, but like I said, I needed to go get out of the house and meet Mike today. So I just got cut out on the footage. I overheated the phone there, so I'm going to put it in the shade and try to shoot a little bit more footage here, and then I'm probably going to be done filming today. You guys have seen the bucking and the splitting, and I'm just wanting to work. I've spent 40 minutes now filming video, and I could have been done bucking this wood already. Okay, now everybody, it is so damn hot out here. My phone keeps overheating, so I'm gonna shut it down for today. I got a video out of it. You can see I got a little pile of rounds here. It may not be quite a truckload yet. I might have to do a couple more pieces, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You've seen the splitting, and my phone battery's in the red, and it just keeps overheating. It was even in the shade, and it was overheating. It's hotter than I wanted it to be, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do if you want to be a good businessman, even a decent businessman. You got to get out and work, right? So I'm gonna split this stuff up now. My camera did keep overheating. I got a couple of these noodled in half, and I'm just gonna get my splitter farts up here and get to splitting on this wood. Okay, everybody in YouTube land, I got that wood split up. I just wanted to sign off with you guys. I did get some of that pecan wood. I think that's what he said. It's a nut wood, and it's hard for you guys to see, but it's some pretty wood, and it's kind of pink and different colors, but that is some heavy freaking wood. And I'm sorry, it's getting dark out here, and I'm tired, so I'm all over the place with the camera, but yeah, you can't really see that pecan wood really well, but that's it. It's kind of pink in the middle there, and it's some heavy freaking wood. So it's good wood, but it'll need a while to dry. That stuff is, it might be getting close to be ready in 6 months, but that stuff really needs a long time. So anyways, I got a load of wood. See you next time.